Point guard mentality, 11 under category. Good luck, both teams.
Ken.
Ang cute ng mga bata.
Cute gani kuya.
Perfect. Ano ito? Taga-Toril na. Ayun pa sila, no?
Taga-Toril din na sila.
Ala, duhay lang ka ng chubby-chubby. Ay, duha isa.
Suro, uy.
Meron di ay?
Ano ba?
Ala, siya yung uniform.
Sa?
Ay, ang harap ng uniform.
Yun sa?
Ah, oo, pero ba? Ilan na, 55.
Ano siya? Awang messenger. Murag siya blur.
Gani.
Blur siya, blur. Register, register. Tanggalan ka ni. Maluag mo. Tanggal.
Alright, good luck, both teams. PH basketball versus Cup back to 11 under category. In the first quarter, we have 8 minutes running time, 1 timeout. Both teams.
Paikot. Ito ako kami.
And the start again. PH versus PGM. Wala na, PGM. Shooter versus number 7. Start the shooter. Madrid with the rebound. Shooter versus number 10. Ito yung betul na nakakamasahan. Kabilang kaya lang.
Oo, magkaroon pa rin.
Pasok ko sa number 11. Go sa number 11. Steal again.
Puro ba steal?
This is the 14, De La Cruz. No good. That's good for this number 42. Betul-betul ginagawa ng bola sa ating puntahan. Version number 26. Version number 30, version number 11. Second number in violation. Wala nga na PGM.
Takin, takin. Ah, baliktad. Kiparihan. Ano yung color?
Magkakulay lang yung rider.
Oo.
Nagpunta tayo.
Ganyan siya.
Last 7 minutes. Remaining time. PGM. Pasistel. Countershoe. Countershoe again. Bola ngayon na PH Basketball. Rosora ngayon. Ang ng bola. Rosora. Rosora. From coast to coast. The first of black. Bola ka ng PH.
Kayo!
19 seconds.
Cute kayo!
Rosora. Sekarang kita masahan. Out of bounds. Bola ka ng PH.
Yung mainit, init. Bigla mo kaon?
Out of bounds. Sa ubusan ng stasyon. Ang pera ng PH Basketball.
Ang ba yung kamot?
Wala po. Ang ganda pasahan. Pagod na po pa. Dagdag halalag. Rebound by Lucy number 12. Put back. That's good for win. Wala ng PH. Kaya number 30. Kaya number 11. Try to shoot. Wow, ang ganda mo. Ayaw! That's good to go. Wala ng PH. Kahit sa ninyo, Soto, no good, ang taga Barilo. Not put it. Going for it. Magister again. That's it. Finally for Magister. Buti na mag-uwi. Nagkakit ang mga natin. Dito na mag-11. Dito na mag-11. There's the foul. Buti number 5. Bumawan. 11. 14 to shoot.
Nice.
Good pass. There's a foul. Substitution left. Last 4 minutes. Where's number 20?
Ay!
No good.
Nice! Wow!
No good. Wala pa rin ng PH.
Ah!
Where's number 11? Pluto. Black. PH.
Nice! Sunod!
Good pass. There's a man behind
Birthday!
We're pushing number 11. Magister, that's your first personal foul. Pasok, pasok. Pasok lalabas. Substitution niya. Last 2 minutes and 35 seconds. That's good for position number 11. Magister. Position number 20. There's the foul. Maganda, that's your first personal foul. First team foul for PH Basketball. Perez. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Isa.
Pass is fair. Out of bounds, bola ngayon ng field. 1 minute and 15.
50? Bayari ah.
Yan na. Yan na.
Field.
Meron ako.
This is the five.
Lang. Asa ko
That's
wallet.
third provisional 5 seconds to play.
Oh!
Out of bounds, field step handle the ball now, last 50 seconds. Bola ngayon ng PGF.
15 eh. Ayun eh.
Ayaw naman bago.
Ayun.
Nakatulog lang talaga.
Time out. PH basketball. We are live via Facebook and our official page. Last 31 seconds. RIP. Seal. Wow, ang gandang pasa. Yan. That's good. Gusto na mag-party. Bulang mo. Seal, bulang mo. Another score for the Bulls. Last 25 seconds. Victoria. Magkano pa masahan? Siguro na mahuli.
Pagkagende.
Ay, wala.
Hey, Trevor violation. Last 10 seconds. Last 5 seconds. And the foul first to back to the building and entering our second period. Was that secondly PGM versus PH basketball.
Bola.
8 minutes, running time, 1 timeout, both teams. PGM tama na ball. Balister. Magkano pa masahan. Defense, steal. Good pass to Wilson number 11. Wilson number 30, no good, Perez got the rebound. To Balister. Balister. Out of bounds, bola pa rin na BGM 19 to shoot. Sabi ito sa Glenn. Mula Cruz, Carlo, bulan mo kung sila mo buo. Yan sila mo ito, tatangan mo na pala. Yan mo lang. Last 7 minutes. Main time. Time to shoot. Bigyan mo to shoot. Carlo. Mula Cruz, Carlo, ikaw. Good pass, good number 5. Easy tonight. Kung sila ito, sinitahan ang bola. Andiyan na siya. Tapos ito yung side. Out of bounds. There's a foul. Two-star left. Lacura, first personal foul. Out of bounds. Time to go to press.
Ayun o, liit. Ayun o.
Time to go to press.
Six?
Liit eh, ayun o.
Kumar.
Ala, ka-cute niya.
Bola ngayon na Peel. Peel. Total Peel.
Spin.
Good. Bola pa rin na Peel. Time to shoot. Good pass. Yeah. Try to shoot. Out of bounds. Stop shooting the left. Pasok, papasok. Labas ang lalabas. Last 4 minutes and 55 seconds. Bago na video. Wala ko. Wala ko kayo. There's a foul. Restore the left.
Inbound, inbound.
Wala ko again. 250. There's a foul. Restore left. Rodrigo, that's your first personal foul. Second team foul for the team.
Score.
La Cruz, from the road, last throw, jumper,
Loy.
save.
Lood na shoot.
Score ba diya?
Ay.
That's good for La Cruz. Last 12 minutes. Wala pa lagi. Ito din na, matangan ang bola. Pasok mo sa nagagay. Sige, La Cruz. La Cruz, sige sa nagagay. Ang ganda pasahan. Top play, two-shot. Pwede siya magagay.
Kung papasok, magpapagkakit ka kayo. Tingnan may kaniya
Hindi ako
ganyan.
niya. Magpakatan ako siya.
Matangan ang bola. Sige. Power shoot.
Ay, steal. Oh.
Out of bounds, bola na T.H. basketball. Last 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Here, they go to 26. And one point.
Ilag siya.
That's a troubling violation. Para sige sa left. Pagbusin na.
Wala. Uy, sobra.
Pila sila?
Anim na.
Sige na.
Last 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Ilang goal? No goal. Bukan no goal na magkali. Hindi kayo ba? There's a foul. Who's got left?
8. Ay, 6. 8. 8, yan. Kagkipingay! Sa'yo ba na siya? Ha? Sa'yo kayo na siya. Siya? Oo.
Last 2 minutes. Mendoza.
Paulo.
Foul. Substitution there. One minute and 30.
Counter
Four.
steal.
Counter four. That's good. Possession number 26.
Nice!
Two. There's a foul. It's far left. Possession number 20.
5-17.
Possession number 11. Very good. Bola ba ng team? Possession number 26. That's good. That's the play. That's 50. Steal. There's a foul. It's far left. That's 30 seconds. Substitution left. Penalty situation. Seconds to play. 10 seconds.
Last shot.
5.
Nag-garbage tong kasada. Sabi.
Siguro mo ano bitaw mo?
Okay, stuck in.
Third na?
Stuck in po tayo, stuck in tayo.
Third na.
Officials, patakin po ang mga players natin. Officials, stuck in po ang players natin, officials.
Hey, takin na yung level. Takin.
Well done. Wala natin 79. Good pass. He's going to the benefit. There's a block. Good forward.
Init ba?
Official, that's your second personal foul. First team foul for PGS. So good. Condition of the benefit.
Shoot! Wala. Di pa tumama sa ring.
Sulod siya.
Violation. Ball on the
Quarter na
PGS.
third.
Third na.
Out of bounds.
Nakatingin
Ball
na
on
nalo
the
to.
team.
Gusto ko nalo.
Last team for 50.
Patay!
Ang tangawag press.
Ah!
Last 15 minutes and 40 seconds. Sister, possibility of the lead. Possibility of the territory.
Agoy!
Go good.
Binibangga sa iyo.
Ay, binagkas niya ng maliit. Ano siya?